Seems legit.
Hello, Legitimates. I have a package and I thought you might want to see what's in here. I have a rough idea. We all know I'm addicted to stuff, right? I know I keep saying I'm on a fabric diet and I'm going to stop buying things, and then I forget. Then we get more things. So let's have a look. Got to get in there first. Should I be using my snips for this? Absolutely not. Am I doing it anyway? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. Let me get some stuff out first. Ooh, there's so many pretty things I could cry. I actually might. Whoop. Okay, so the bag is empty. This is from Passion for Vinyl. I mean, I guess, because I'm looking at some stuff, but you know. All right, so let's start with this. Although I'm not quite sure how to get the other outer plastic off. But this is, aha, success. This is see-through glitter holographic streaky vinyl. Oh, this is so cool. This would be really cool to use as card slots. And there's like a whole bunch of it. So this is going to, ow, I whacked myself in the face. This is really cool though. So it's holographic, stripy, see-through vinyl. It's got like a yellowish tinge to it. But I think that is awesome. Because, you know, we need to get on the jelly roll jump. And clear stuff's always fun. We might start doing some funky windows or something. We have also pink ostrich. I do have this in the purpley pink or the fuchsia as well. Look at me go. I'm feeling a trend. But this one's more pinky. It's like a watermelon pink. Again, I'll link this down below, but that's really pretty. So pretty. This is fabulous. Oh, this is really soft too. This is like buttery smooth from Inklings almost. I've just got to find the edge, all right? Clearly I didn't plan this at all. So this is like super soft and it's like a matte. It's matte, but it's got a bit of glitter. It's got a bit of sparkle. And yes, I said sparkle. I'm okay with it. I don't even know how to describe that except that it's fabulous. So from here it looks quite matte. It hasn't got shine. It's not a shiny vinyl like this one. This one's shiny. I'm getting to that one. But it's got just like, see there? Like, see if I move it, it's just got like a little bit of sparkle. I have just decided that that's now a word. I'm cool with it. So that's fabulous. I can see that being amazing. I can see it all being amazing. This is like a lovely red. But this is jelly vinyl. Look at that. How fun. Something red, something blood spattery. Ooh. Leave that with me. So it's like a matte-ish, I don't know, satin? It's not matte and it's not shiny. Satin's the in-between one, right? But that's cool. So I've got jelly vinyl. And then we've got more. I've got this one and this one. So we're going to do the big one first. I know what's in here, but it's still fabulous. So they have got new threads. And so I have treated myself to some threads in colours that I don't have on the wall over here. I am going to have to rearrange the whole lot because I have my walls in colour order. However, so I got myself some blue because I am getting close to low on blue. So we've got blue. Then this one is between my yellow and my orange. So it's more orange than my yellow and more yellow than my orange. And it's coming up to Halloween, so I'm probably going to do pumpkin related bag or something. So I thought that would be perfect and I will just use it otherwise. And then because purple's such a popular color in my world, I got both the purples. So we have like a super dark purple because I was nearly out, right? So this is the Vardman purple, so it's darker again. And so then we've got like a medium and a lighter, because that's nearly finished. I'll get maybe one more wallet out of that and then we're done. So I got purples to replace this one. And I got some white because I do go through a lot of white. I like a white contrast on bags more than I like a black contrast. I think white kind of makes it pop a little bit more. And these are all Tex 45, so they are thinner than what I'm used to using because I usually use the equivalent of Tex 70. But I'm sure they're definitely fine for what I'm gonna do. We're gonna play with them. I have ideas about what's in front of me anyway. And then we have one last little bit. Do I get too many things? Absolutely. But if you're not in the mood to buy, you can just watch me buy and live vicariously through me, because all of these things will eventually be used in bags. I get more than I can sew, right? It's a process, but it's fine. Okay, so we have a golden koala. So we're gonna have to do an Aussie bag. This would have been perfect the other day when I did the Christmas bag with the little Christmas koala. So if you ended up buying that pattern from Inklings, go and grab this from Passion for Vinyl, because that is freaking adorable. Adorable. And you can tell it's a koala and not a puppy dog by its nose, just if anybody was wondering. Okay. We have a dragon. Oh my gosh. I still have dragon fabric left over, so that's definitely going to be a thing. It is stunning. We got a rainbow koala as well, which is good. I'm sure I've got something else Aussie related here that will go with wonderfully. And we got a rainbow dragon. How amazing does that look? Move it around, changes color. It's awesome. Awesome! This says ABC on like a rainbow with some, are they stars? Swirls, stars, clouds. I think the clouds, but still very cool. I do have to start making teacher gifts. Well, probably not just yet, but like teacher gifts. So we're going to do that for one of my child's got 2 teachers. He's got like a split class. So we'll be making 2 different presents for the 2 different teachers. This is just amazing. It is a cat touching the star on a moon. That is awesome. I'm actually planning on doing a witchy market in the next couple of weeks. So that will definitely be in a video very, very shortly. Oh, this is a butterfly. I think this is the pink. It's got a pink ribbon. I think the pink ribbon's the Cancer ribbon, but it's got a butterfly in it. That's not focusing. Focus. There we go. Look at the wings. Look at the detail in the wings. That's pretty. It's got to go in a pink bag. We've got a black one as well, if we want to be a little bit more grungy but still have the pink. So pink and black. Ooh, I'll come up with something for that. And I got a silver one. So I've got a silver cat touching the moon, or the star sitting on the moon. I love zipper pulls. They're fantastic. Am I addicted? A little bit. But that's fine. It's fine. We're going to use them all. I sew like every single day pretty much. And pretty much everything I sew is in a video. So we have a lot of beautiful, glorious things. I will put links to all of this below for you so that you can go buy your own. This is fabulous. It even kind of looks like watermelon with the little dots. I wonder if we should make a watermelon bag. Ooh, okay. Leave that thought with me. I'm excited. I've never actually sewn with this stuff before, so I'm pretty excited for the jelly vinyl. And clear, it's just cool. It's just sparkly. I don't even know what I want to make yet. Like, I've got some ideas, but we will see. But it's holographic. I love all things holographic. So much. Anyway, that was really, really fun. Thank you all for joining me while I open more goodies. Like I said, anything you want from my pile of stuff will be on the website. So this is her new thread, and the purples are really pretty. And this is like an orangey yellow, so it sits between the Vardman ones. I know I've got a lot of you to get Vardman before, but we're trying some new colors. I love all the colors. Rainbow is the best way to go. And zipper pulls. because they're just going to be so much fun and they will go with things I already have. All right, guys, I'll see you. Bye-bye.